Hello guys, welcome back to the show today. I'm Akhil and well, as you know, this is the new black. This is whiteboard. Sorry, not blackboard. It's a whiteboard. So we will be doing something called circles. Now, as you know, this is a circle. The line that passes through the middle of this is called the diameter. This point at the center is called um, it's called the center, and the line from here up to here is the radius. That is any okay, one second. So any point passing from the center to the circumference is called a radius. Mistakes happen. I do apologize for called. Now radius over the line, that is not point, that is line. The line passing through the center. That is the difference between diameter and the radius itself. So passing through the center and touching 2 points of the circumference is called diameter. So that's what it is. Actually, it's the pen now. So any line passing from the center to the circumference is called radius. So if this is a radius, so if this is a circle, from here to the center is radius. From here to this, one sec guys. So where were we? Yeah, I was doing. My parents came home just now. So this is the difference between radius and circumference. So sorry, radius and diameter. So now let's continue on to the next part. I would actually wish to clear this page. So I think we can add another page, I guess. Yeah, so I can just delete this right. Now let's continue with the drawing. Now, so this is radius and circumference. So actually, what is a circle? A circle is a plane figure with no points. Yay! No, not that. So a circle is actually a plane figure, but it has a set of points in a plane equidistant from a given fixed point. Now, as you know, if this is the center, then we can draw new lines from the center to the circumference. So we can draw innumerous numbers of radii and diameters. So it's not radiuses. It's like diameter plus is equal to diameters. It's not like that. It's radii. So now you gotta actually do the. So now we can get to the next part of chords. then we will go to the theorems in the next class. So now radius, chord. So chord. So now let's take the chord. So as you can see, as actually I think you saw it, this is a circle. I had drawn this radius and the diameter, and in the bottom, actually this time I'm going to draw in the top. Here is the chord. Okay, so now let's write out what is a chord. A chord is a line segment. Actually I made a mistake there. Chord is a line segment that joins two distinct points. Distinct, not distinct. Points on the circumference. Now this is a chord, so that's where it rightfully goes. Now a chord is a line segment that joins two distinct points on a circumference. As you can see, it's got two points here. Okay, over here. So this is where it's got two distinct points. Then we can go to the arcs. Now the part of the circle you see over here, which is in above this chord, that is the minor segment. So this is the minor segment. Let's take an erase. So now this part of the circumference, this part of the circumference, so this is the chord. Now this divides the circle into two halves, okay? Unequal halves, as we have to say. Now this part over here, I wish I could fill color in this one, but I can't. So now this part, okay, I'll just put a circle over here and a line over here. The one with the circle, the part of the circle with the circle in it, is the major arc. Okay, the part of the circle with the line is the minor arc. So that's what it is. I'll just move this. So that's what I want to move this, but now this is the minor arc, and let's take a minute. So this is the minor arc and this is the major arc. Now what is a minor arc and a major arc? Now let's get that straight now. So when a chord is drawn, it divides a circle into two unequal halves. So these halves, the now actually an arc is the part of the circumference, and this time I'll be doing both arcs and segments. Now the part, now the smaller part divided by the circumference is the now the smaller part of the circumference divided by the chord is the this is part of the circumference divided by the divided by the chord is the minor part. Sorry, this is my first time with OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. I'm using this for the first time. Otherwise, I've been using that website called twitter.com for a long time. But this is my first time trying to do it in OneNote, and it's pretty good experience. Divided by the minor arc is called minor arc. The bigger, the larger part, circumference only, is called major arc. The smaller part of the circle is the smaller part of the circle is the line area is minor segment. The larger part is major segment. Now this is minor and major segments, and this concludes almost everything. So now in my next chapter, in my next video, we will be actually doing some other stuff that includes construction of quadrilaterals, that is a cyclic quadrilaterals, construction of square and a circle and all that. So just join me for more. I would actually keep your things with you, including your basic stuff that includes paper, pen, your compass, divider, your pencils, all that. And as always, it's good. Now this time I would actually like to conclude that now I would actually like to tell you, like this video, share it with anyone who has difficulty in understanding circles problems. Comment upon what you want me to do next, which chapter. In case you feel difficulty in any chapter, just tell me which chapter it is. I'll try to just search it on the internet, and I'll get you information upon that. I'll do that part which is very difficult for you, so you'll have to comment on which topic, which part of the topic, and finally your name. That's it, so that you become famous with me. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Now this is what you'll have to comment, and just subscribe or more videos like this. If you haven't watched my other videos, you can just watch it over here, probably, because I don't know, over here, because if there is no video over here somewhere, probably, I don't know where it is exactly. In case there is nothing here, in which case there will be a question mark, and you don't need to do anything. But if there is, just please click over here. That's my mouse handwriting. Don't go upon my mouse handwriting, please. But yeah, that's the main reason why I type out. Thank you. May God bless you.